What the fuck is that fucking thing?
What the fuck?
Hello?
What?
Chill.
Scary.
Yo, I'm gonna check his vibe. What are you?
Yeah, what are you?
No! No! No!
Good job, Bugs. You're getting them good. You're getting them so good. Oh my gosh.
You're not helping. You're not being a very emotionally supportive cat.
Where were you on the night of November 16th?
Terry! What? Stop interrogating yourself. Hey, don't touch me. You can't use my fur for your bow. Ooh, yellow cedar, a symphony staple. Hey, don't touch me. And why are you violinists so antsy? I appreciate the pets, but I'm still gonna shed all over your black dress.
How has this cat offended you?
He won't leave my sister Luna alone, she?
You know, someday, I may ask you for a favor.
Yeah, I understand, Oddfather.
Don't worry. I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse.
Oh, what? It's happening! Feline evolution! I'm walking upright! I'm getting taller! I'm standing on the fluffing table! Frank is an incredible actor. Hey, Frank, give us an aggressive lick. Those are all Becky's? Yeah, look at the tails. Kendall, this is the last straw. Now give me my Meowhito. Mom, you're back home early. This catnip is freaking me out, man. Did you hear that? What in the world? No. What did you do? I'd like to speak to Mike Attorney. Frank is a master of Taekwondo. Is he? We'll see how funny it is when I turn this thing into a megaphone at 3 a.m. Well, we'll see how smart you are when the canines come. I got 99 props, but a stitch ain't one.
Now it's just like toothpaste. You just gotta squeeze the bottom.
Thanks, Dave. Oh, you're a German shepherd, are you? Say hello to the Allied forces! Wait, I'm the last samurai? So why'd you go from boxing to massage therapy? Petflix took down Aristocats before I could finish it.
Oh, come here, baby.
Special delivery, Dante. Oh! My father was a meerkat?
I know you're looking down on me, Whiskers.
What is Sammy doing out there?
Kittles will pay for what he did. What's the matter? Cat got your tongue?
It's okay, Kathy. You just drank too much. Here, I'll hold your tail back. Oh, I'm out. Hey, Patrick, look, I'm SpongeBob SquareCat. Okay, nephew. Now you try. Meh. Not bad. Meh. Now enunciate more. And who do we have here?
Don't touch me.
Oh, is the little bitty bug gonna do something?
I said,
Don't touch me!
Okay, yeah, let me just scooch by you. Oh, shit. Yeah, let me just kind of tap that there and resolve it. I won't crack the screen on this one. I've matured, and I'm not clumsy anymore. Oh, never mind. Oh, my apologies. I just got done bathing. Can you pass it to me through the door? Wake up, Jacob! Help! You're sleep drowning again. Help! Jacob! Help! Oh, for fluff's sake. Help! Hey, Daryl. Help! Throw him in the litter box. Fast as fluff, boy. Still fast as fluff, boy. I told him, keep his paws off Darlene. He's behind me, isn't he? I can feel his breath. Our entire litter is orange. All right, it's time to get back on my New Year's resolutions and burn some of these fat calories. Oh man, this is exhausting, you know? I just lack the necessary meowtivation. Breaking news. Meow Mix has filed bankruptcy. No! Duck, duck, duck. Goose! Oh, shit, Daryl! Sometimes I'll just stir shit up for no reason. Come on, Vicky. Give me a hickey. Did you just take a dump in my yard and try to cover it up?
No.
Don't lie to me, boy! I got it.
It's mine.
No, I got it cornered over here. So I wound up and I reared back and then I punched him in his fluffin' face. What kind of hairless kitten is that? Ah! One step at a time, Bartholomew. Stairs are very treacherous. Okay, Daryl. Where's Kenneth? Wait up, guys! I'm coming! I've done it. I captured a cloud. Would you look at this? It's in my paw. It's a freaking cloud. Ew, it's wet. Barbara, call the priest now.
I have a demon.
He's starting to take control.
Shut up and act like a horse.
No, you don't scan it twice. I just said that. Talk about my mama again, Derek. Yo, mama, so fat. Timothy, try this tuna broth. Too salty. Ugh, I'm gonna leave this here. Yep. Papa? Not it. No, Jeremy, you can't eat that. Here's a massage technique I use on old bags like your mom.
Hey, Toby, what are you doing out here?
Oh, just talking to the man upstairs. Howdy! I am Cornholio. Terry, I know it's hard, but you gotta sign the divorce papers, bro.
How could she do this to me?
Gotta hype myself up. Yeah! Did I do it? Excuse me, I was sitting there. I'm allergic to myself. Okay, Papa, I'm ready to work out. You're 5 minutes late. Wait, Papa! First exercise. Papa, please! It's called Jump the Chump. So far, you are the chump. No, not again. Pick up the pace, pussyfoot. Dinner's ready. Oh, ow, what the? I'm telling Mom. No, it was a fly, Gary. Look, there it is. It would have gave you retriever fever. Is there anyone on earth as majestic as me?
Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow.
This is fine, yo. What the fuck is...
meu gatinho, que coisa mais fofa. Quem vê o gatinho comportadinho assim nem pensa que ele é um...
Vampiro! Eu descobri seu segredo, criatura das trevas. Criatura maligna que dorme o dia inteiro, mas destrói a casa de madrugada. Vou encher sua cama de alho.
I went to the pet store to pick out a new cat. Then this happened.
Oh, he's like, no. He's just doesn't want him to have attention at all.